For Daddy. Do it for Daddy. Do it for Daddy. I'm not videoing. Just go. That's what I used to do when I was in gymnastics. I'd have to go. And then I'd do my thing. Go. Go, 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 go. Don't put your feet down. Look. Yeah! Oh, shit. Woohoo!
I'm doing this for my daddy and my papa.
And Nana.
And Nana. And Uncle Ed!
Oh, and Kathy?
Yes!
Do you miss them?
It's not showing to me, though.
Daddy said he's proud of you. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah, go back the other way so Daddy can see you riding. No, I'm going to run with you to Daddy. He's watching. Go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You got it.
Here's for the grand finale. All the way to that dog.
No way. Let's try it. Bet you can do it. What? You're Honey Boo Boo. Come on, sweetie. I'm videoing you. Busted. I know. Okay. Daddy went inside to go potty. Keep going. Don't look at me. Watch the road. Watch the road. Oh, sweetheart.